Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Shenandoah County in northwestern Virginia, southwestern Fred County in northwestern Virginia, northwestern Warren County in northwestern Virginia until 5:15 p.m. At 4:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Strasburg, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Some hail damage. Northwestern Warren County in northwestern Virginia until 5:15 p.m. At 4:35 p.m. Storm was located near Strasburg, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Fort Valley, Gravel Springs, Wild Acres, Fishers Hill, Reliance, Clary, and Buckton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Well, hello, Sterling.